This video explains how to swap a faulty hard drive on either an ActivID or FT2011 hardware appliance. Be very careful when you touch the hard drive. Do not touch the backplane and make sure nothing else touches it either. If you purchased the maintenance kit from us, then you received a replacement drive in the package along with an instruction sheet that explains the steps covered in this video. If you did not purchase a maintenance kit, then we will ship you a replacement hard drive as long as the appliance is still under warranty. You can usually tell when a drive is faulty. The hard drive LED turns solid red and stays that way. Before you swap out a hard drive, verify the status of the hard disk using the ActivID console. For details, refer to the ActivID Appliance Operations Guide. You can see in the above screenshot that the RAID 2 disk is faulty and needs to be replaced. This feature is not available in the FT2011 Appliance console. Since hard drives are hot swappable, you don't have to power down the appliance to swap out the hard drive. Now let's change the faulty drive on this appliance. Push the release button, swing the handle out, and then pull the hard drive out of the appliance. Remove the hard drive from the carrier and secure the new drive back in the carrier. Push the new hard drive back into the bay. You will hear a click. Then push the lever to lock it in place. You will see a flashing red LED while it is rebuilding. When you see the solid red LED disappear and a solid green LED appear, you are finished. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, then please contact the ActivID support team.